Good morning, Mike here with Gutter Maids. I had to come down to a house in Minneapolis here. I want to take a look at it at a couple of different goofy roof lines, and I want to look at the house before I gave them a price. But a couple of things I want to show here. When we're cleaning the gutters, little things that we do too is going around the skylights, all the buildup around the skylights, the buildup around the vents. Just make sure everything's all good and clean for you before winter. This customer actually called us in December and just kind of lost track of time, so we're out here right away in the spring. So we'll get our gutters clean. She's got a screen on here, got a lot of pine trees and a lot of debris overhanging our house here. So the screen helps a little bit, but still needs maintenance. But it's all little things. We're not just cleaning the gutters out. We'll get the roof all cleaned off here for her, get everything all rinsed, make sure there's no buildup around the heat cable there. All your gutter cleaning, vine removal, tall ladder work needs, guttermaids.com, 612-598-1318. Thank you.